Hi my lovely viewers, this is Hello IT World Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to download and install Microsoft Power BI. So first of all, you have to know what is the definition or what is the explanation in Microsoft Power BI. It is a data visualization and business intelligence tools that converts data from different data sources to interactive dashboards and BI reports. Source provides multiple software, connector, and services. It describes Power BI services based on such, that means software as a service and mobile Power BI apps available for the different platforms. So go to for the practical how to install. Then we have to go to this, write Power BI, download 64-bit, click from the official site. Here we have to press the download. We will download 64-bit as because laptop is our 64-bit. Click download. It is long, that's why I downloaded before. Pause this. Now execute. Press next. Yes. Next. Accept the term in the license. No need to study, or if you want to study this. Next. Installation. It is working. So it is finished. The Power BI windows will come. So it has done. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.